Snapshots, portraits, cityscapes, landscapes, and other photos taken on the fly. This video introduces 3 features that make taking snapshots easier. First, let's have a look at Eye Detection AF. In Eye Detection AF, the camera automatically detects and focuses on the eyes of portrait subjects. Getting the eyes clearly in focus adds life to portraits. When using Eye Detection AF, select Auto Area AF for AF Area Mode in the Eye menu. A yellow border indicating the focus area is displayed when an eye is detected. When you press the shutter release button halfway, the camera will focus on the selected eye and the focus area will turn green. Press the shutter release button the rest of the way down to take the picture. If the subject's face occupies a relatively small area of the frame, the camera will automatically switch to Face Detection AF. Now for exposure compensation. Exposure compensation lets you adjust the brightness of your photos to your taste. With mirrorless cameras, you can adjust exposure compensation while simultaneously previewing the effect in the display. Just changing the brightness can make a big difference in the effect a photograph creates. To adjust exposure compensation, hold the exposure compensation button and rotate the main command dial. Higher values make pictures brighter, while lower values make them darker. Let's try choosing a higher value with a backlit portrait subject. The result is a bright photo that brings out the subject's expression. Lastly, let's have a look at silent photography. Silent photography mutes the sound of the shutter. To enable silent photography, select On for silent photography in the photo shooting menu. Silent photography lets you take pictures in art galleries and other quiet locations without disturbing others. These features of the Z50 give you greater freedom when taking snapshots.